Hello YouTube, this is the Two Cools 2, back doing my winter videos. So New York City, this again its first major winter storm, again a blizzard, and it's very intense outside right now. The wind is picking up, a lot of snow. It's about 2 or 3 inches on the ground already. It started snowing this morning, about like 10:30, 11, and it was just crazy out. It feels like 13, 14 degrees. I was just watching because of the wind chill. Wind chill is, well, when the wind blows, it makes cold out. So, yeah. We're supposed to get like about 15 inches of snow, 10 to 15 inches of snow. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna snow till tomorrow afternoon, I believe. Today's Sunday, December 26th. It's Christmas weekend. Okay, here we go.
A blizzard warning and a flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service.
Okay, as you see, yeah, watch this out.
The temperature is 27 degrees with snow.
Okay, so it's snowing, wind chill's 14, 26 miles per hour the wind. I'm in Sheepshead Bay right now, at my dad's place of business, his house. Coney Island is the nearest place from here.
Our local Doppler radar.
The whiter the color gets, the heavier the snow. There's the key up there, and I would be right next to Coney Island there. And the green is rain, but I'm not seeing that. It's too cold. Atlantic City's getting snow, ice still there. About some of the states went to state emergency. For the snow, the blizzard. So, New York City and Long Island has a blizzard warning. Parts of New Jersey has a winter storm warning, I believe.
Today, blizzard conditions. High 32. Winds north at 25 to 35 miles per hour. 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally
They
gust
said
over
4 to 6 before, now it's 5 to 8.
For tonight, blizzard conditions. Low 26. Winds north-northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. 6 to 10 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour.
It's gonna be nuts tonight.
On Monday, windy with morning snow. High 28. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.
That used to say winter storm. I'm sorry, heavy snow. That's the blizzard. So something's really coming our way. Alright, so I'm going to be posting updates every hour to hour and a half,
right
so
now,
stay tuned.
Watches and warnings are
here we go.
blanketing the East Coast. A blizzard warning is in effect for New York City and Boston. Our live team coverage of the winter weather blitz continues.
Alright, so if you want to see some more info on this, go to Weather Channel, Channel 62 on cable. I don't know what on the other services. Alright, so stay tuned to updates. Remember, every hour to an hour and a half. Bye.